Yo, what up, Street Talks? Eric Kim. Alright, so the thought from my friend Soren. How can we make photography fun again? So, I think most of us, we started photography very innocently with either like a point and shoot digital camera or a film camera or a disposable film camera. And then somewhere down the line, you know, you start getting suckered by gear forums and camera rumor websites and stuff like that. And then we kind of get in a position where we lose our initial childlike joy of photography, and we get too obsessed with the gear, too obsessed with I don't know, the megapixels, image quality, blah blah, and as a consequence we lose that initial childlike sense of fun we get from photography. So one of the best ways to, you know, observe what the true approach in photography is, just give a kid a camera and just kind of see how they approach it, and they have so much fun with it, and they don't really take it too seriously. And then this is where I'm starting to realize that perhaps in photography the culture which has kind of screwed us up the most is maybe the French culture of the whole gallery and the exhibitions and stuff like that, where everyone's trying to become this pompous, famous, respected artist, like capital A artist. And I think that everyone's an artist, right? Like, an artist just means somebody who likes to make stuff. And art in ancient Greek, it's techne, T-E-K-H-N-E, which literally means technique. So when people say the art of doing X, Y, and Z, they just mean to say the technique of doing something. And there's no righter or wronger techniques or forms. It's all subjective. Even Aristotle in his the Poetics, where he's talking about the art of poetry or the art of literature writing or prose, you know, he's just sharing his perspectives, but certainly there's not one more legitimate critique approach than another. That's like saying that like the English language is superior than Korean, or saying that Japanese is superior to, you know, Mandarin, or whatever silly comparisons we want to make. To me it matters less about the art, the technique, the approach. What matters is just kind of having fun, and everyone's personality is different. And so I think it's better that you just stay true to what your own gut, your own instinct, your own approach and ethos is, and just have fun while you're making photos and you're approaching it. And as long as it's fun, you could do no wrong.